In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly use Klarna to pay for your eBay purchases. Whether you're shopping for a rare collectible or just grabbing some essentials, Klarna offers a convenient way to manage your payments. Let's dive in and take it step by step. To get started, you'll first need to open Google Chrome. This will be your gateway to accessing eBay and making your selections. Once you have Chrome open, head on over to eBay's website. You might already have an idea of what you're planning to buy, but if not, take your time browsing through eBay's extensive listings. It's one of the largest online marketplaces out there, so there's plenty to explore. As you find items you want, go ahead and add them to your eBay cart. Simply click on the item, check its specifications, and hit that Add to Cart button. Make sure you verify the details to ensure it's exactly what you're looking for, as this will help prevent any surprises when the package arrives at your door. Once you've finished shopping, proceed to checkout. This is where you consolidate your selections and review any final details about your chosen items. Make sure everything looks good before you move on. Now for the exciting part, selecting Klarna as your payment method. This option provides flexibility when it comes to settling the bill. If Klarna is available for your purchase, and it should be noted that availability can depend on the seller and the region. You'll see it listed alongside other payment methods. Select it to proceed. You'll be redirected to Klarna's interface where you have some decisions to make. Klarna offers various plans such as spreading out payments over several months or opting for a pay later scheme, which can be quite beneficial if you need a little extra time before the payment is due. Carefully read through the available options to select the plan that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll need to complete the payment authorization with Klarna. This part usually requires some basic information to confirm your identity and ensure the payment process is secure. Make sure the information you provide is accurate to avoid any hiccups during the transaction. After authorization, you return to eBay to confirm your order placement. This step is crucial as it finalizes the entire shopping process. Look over your order details one last time, and once you're satisfied, hit that confirm button. And there you have it. Your order should be successfully placed, and you can now look forward to receiving your items, all while having used a flexible payment method that works for you. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Have a great day shopping with eBay and Klarna.